Welcome to Healthcare BinBon channel. Your teeth are not white, yellow or blue, so you are not confident when you smile. Don't worry, today we will share to you how to make your teeth white. This whitening formula is recommended by many dentists. The state of substance used a menthol, imino, such as curcumin or dentifrice. It reduces production. This is not only lead to discolored teeth, yellow teeth, but also sensitive to different stimuli. Smoking cigarettes is a bad habit that stands out among the cause of yellow teeth, tooth, enamel, and a cause of bad breath. Firstly, you need to prepare a lamb. You wash and cut the lamb in half. As you may know, lamb has many uses, not only antibacterial beauty but also provide many nutrients for the body, especially vitamin C to keep your teeth strong, not bleeding. Blue teeth, bright white, no cavities. The next step, squeezing the lamb juice removes the seed. In lamb, there are composed flavanol, protein, and protein calcium work to remove yellow stain on teeth. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C, citric acid, which will help remove yellow stain on your teeth and keep your teeth fresh for a long time. In addition to lime, baking soda is also helps to whiten teeth effectively. Baking soda is known for its very good cleaning property for stain, and deposit. So many toothpaste brands have added baking soda to toothpaste ingredients to increase the whiteness of teeth effectively. After scoop 4 teaspoons of baking soda into the bowl. In addition, baking soda also has many antibacterial and practices property, so it helps reduce bad breath, tooth decay, and oral disease. Many people have used baking soda to brush their teeth and have received the effect result, teeth brighter and smoother. You should remove lamb seed because the lamb seed clears the seed, have a bitter taste. You use this brand about, your teeth will be white. Then you pour the baking soda into the lime juice and mix well. Please take a note, you should stir well and to achieve the best result. Mix the mixture on your teeth for 1 minute, then rinse your mouth with clean water. Note, it should be only done 1-2 times a week. Because baking soda has powerful cleansing property, take it several times per week can cause tooth sensitive. Thank you so much for your watching and subscribe. Hope you are very healthy and see you in the next video.